Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is about this Tinashe lace closure wig right here. The hair is actually 14 inches long and it came in this white packaging with loads of amazing goodies. It comes with a wig cap, it comes with an hair clips, it comes with baby hair brush, and it also comes with an elastic band to tie your hair down, and it also comes with an instruction of how to take good care of your hair. This is what the hair looks like straight out of the packaging, and it has 3 combs at the front, 1 comb at the back, and it also has an elastic band as well. The hair has also been pre-plucked straight out of the box, and it comes with a center part straight out of the box, so you have no worries about customizing your hair. Nothing to worry about when it comes to customizing your hair. All you have to do is cut your lace and you will be good to go, which is exactly what I showed you guys in this video. You don't have to do anything at all. If you want that big hair don't care type of look, all you have to do is use your hands to finger comb the curls and you will be good to go. Just cut your legs and that is it. But I applied powder at the center of the parts just to accentuate the parts. Look at that. No glue, no gel, no spray, no nothing, and the hair is good to go. The hair is going nowhere. So if you want that wet looks, that curly wet looks or wavy look, you can spray the hair with water and apply a bit of mousse to the hair to define the curls more if that's the look you're going for. So that's exactly what I'm showing you guys in this part of the video. You just scrunch the hair, apply the mousse and scrunch the hair, and then you would get the curls popping, like pop open. Look at that. Look at that. I love how well the curls are well defined. Look at that. Popping, guys, popping. So yeah, I did the same thing on the other side as well. As you guys can tell, the curls are just giving me life. Giving me life. I love it. So yeah, and that's it for today's look. Very easy, very straightforward, and it's the type of hair that you can just slap on your head and you will be good to go. As I showed you guys in this video, I used the elastic band included in the construction of the cap to install the hair. Look at that. No glue, no gel, no spray, no nothing. All I did was just apply a bit of oil to give that gorgeous glow to the hair, and the luster of the hair straight out of the box is just amazing. So yeah, I love the curl pattern of the hair as well. It's like my natural hair but longer, which is really good. And that's it. Voila, look at that. So depending on you, depending on if you have time or not, you can decide to like spray the hair with not spray blow dry the hair to give you that pow coils if that's the look you're going for. But if not, you can just leave the hair to hair dry. But in this look, I just decided to go for blow dryer. So depend on you, depending on the look you're going for. So yeah, basically that is it. You don't have to stress yourself to install the hair. Very easy, very straightforward, beginner friendly. No need for gel, glue, or professionals to install the hair. Anyone can actually install the hair, and all you need is a pair of scissors to cut the lace and you would be good to go. You don't need any tool or any product to install the hair. And yep, I am loving the hair, and look at that. The volume of this hair, the luster and the wave curl pattern, everything is just floating, and I love the hair. I highly recommend that you guys check out Tinashe Hair. They always deliver when it comes to the quality of their hair, and this one is amazing. I love it. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and yeah, that's it for today's video. As you can tell, you can actually move the hair to, they give you different parts. Since it's 4x4 lace closure, you can actually part it anywhere within the closure, so you will be good to go as well. So yeah, that's it. Look at that. Very full, very fluffy, and very soft. I love the volume of the hair. And yeah, that's it. Thank you guys once again so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for all your support, and please make sure you check out Tinashe Hair for all your affordable quality hair. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Stay tuned for the review, and bye guys. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this Tinashe lace closure wig right here. The hair is actually 14 inches long. I'm gonna go straight to the point and share my thoughts about the hair with you guys. So the first thing I noticed straight out of the box was the curls of the hair, guys. The curls were popping, like straight out of the box the curls were popping. The curls were well defined straight out of the box, so you have nothing to worry about when it comes to installing your hair, because you don't need any glue or gel to install this hair. How amazing is that, guys? Look at that. I actually used the elastic band that was installed in the construction of the cap to install the hair, and voila, I was done in 2 minutes. In 2 minutes? How amazing is that? No glue, no gel, no spray, no nothing, just the elastic band, and the hair is well secured. Look at that. You can see that my head is shaking, but the hair is going nowhere. Well secured and easy to install. I love that. And the quality of the hair for me, guys, is just amazing. As you guys can tell, I've been running my hands through the hair throughout the styling of this hair. I didn't experience any shedding or tangling whatsoever. My hair is just giving me life. Look at that. Very full and very voluminous. Like, look at that. I already can tell the most amazing thing about this wig is the fact that you can just slap it on your head and off you go. That for me is just amazing. If you guys don't know Tinashe Hair, Tinashe Hair are a hair brand that sells all types of hair on their website. They have lace closure wig, lace frontal wig, and they have colored wigs. They have all types of wigs, length and texture. And when it comes to quality, the quality of their hair is always top notch, and this is really amazing. In my opinion, the hair is definitely true to length because it's 14 inches long, and definitely true to length. It's 14 inches, and as you guys can tell, look at that. And despite that, the hair is really full and very soft to touch. I love it. And another thing I love about this brand is the fact that their shipping was really quick. It took exactly 4 days to get here in the UK, which for me is really amazing. And the fact that their packaging also comes with loads of amazing goodies that you can also use to style you already have in your collection, which for me is just amazing. I love this. Look at that. Easy to install. The curls are popping. Look at that. How soft the hair is, and the texture of the hair is just amazing. No tangling, no shedding whatsoever. Look at that. And it's very full as well. So if you're the type that is looking for, you know, easy slap on wig that you can just bring out of the box and slap it on your head, then I would definitely recommend that you check out this hair. No glue, no gel, just cut your lace and you'll be good to go. You don't need any professional to install this hair for you, and to install this hair you don't need any tool apart from your scissors. Get yourself a scissors, cut the lace, and you would be good to go. So would I really recommend this hair? Absolutely. In terms of the quality of this hair, it's definitely a plus for me, hands down. And in terms of how, you know, easy it is to install the hair, it's definitely a plus for me. And in terms of the packaging and the goodies included in the packaging, it's definitely a plus for me. And in terms of their shipping, it's definitely a plus for me. Their shipping was really quick. And in terms of the lace of the wig, it's definitely a plus for me, because the lace of the wig is very soft and very easy to work with. And in terms of the construction of the cap, it's definitely a plus for me, because the construction of the cap made it easy for me to install the hair without any glue or gel, which for me is a no-brainer. Like, no-brainer. Absolutely amazing. So yeah, that's my thoughts about the hair so far. I'll leave the details of the hair in the description box below. Please feel free to check out the vendor and let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.